Hi, I am Hitesh Parmar and I welcome you to this next episode of Think and Grow Rich with NLP. And the episode today we are discussing is RPFAR formula. Do you know how to come out of poverty mindset? Do you know you can do something about it? And do you know that if you can do something about it, then do you want to do something about it? This video is just for you if you are thinking yes to above questions. Be with me. You have now two choices. 95% of the people never get solution of this problem and they die like this. Only 5% who try to find out the solution, who read something about it, who learn something about it, who try something about it, and who take action. And that action is creating destiny for them. So we are starting today's topic. When I was studying in uh, 8th or 9th standard, I read a book called Rapidex English Speaking Course. If some of you could come across, so it was a bulky book kind of thing, Rapidex English Speaking Course, and I heard a poet Henley with these poetic lines. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. And at that time, I liked this lines very much. That wow, it's very nice. That how nice it is that I am the master of my own fate. Though I could not understand it properly because I also had some confusion. Like if I am the master of my fate and I am the captain of my soul, then why need to ask to my father for my pocket money, or even to go and play outside, we need to have some permissions, because at that young age our parents don't allow us to go outside. Also, when you ask for playing outside, we are asked to do 5 hours of homework after school hours. So how is it possible that I can be master of my fate? Like this kind of thoughts were running into my young brain. So afterwards I read lots of books. Actually, I am a voracious reader, and before 96, I used to read 3 books a day. And after 96, I started reading books in English. So earlier, I was reading in my mother tongue Gujarati, so I was very fast. But afterwards, after 96, even till today, I am reading 1 book a day. And that's not only my habit, but that's my strength also. So I acquired initially some vague knowledge, which you might also have, and lots of people are still solving this vague knowledge. Like your brains are magnetized with dominating thoughts, and right, like even in this book itself, Napoleon Hill wrote is also definitely vague knowledge according to my opinion, and you will come to know later on that my opinion is perfectly right, because to accumulate riches, your minds must be magnetized with intense desire for riches. You should become money conscious, and you should become money conscious till you reach to a definite plan created to achieve that money. So this is, but afterwards some I also get some clarity about the topic. I started doing meditation. I first learned vipassana, and I did lots of mind power training programs like Silva Mind Control and others. Also in 1996, I started learning NLP. I read Richard Bandler, John Grinder earlier during that time. At that time, topic was very new, but till that I did actually 26, sorry, 16 courses, 16 courses in NLP, and 25 years of reading, learning, practicing, and teaching NLP. And I understood this formula. which is also definitely very basic. There are lots of advanced things than this, but for right now we can understand this formula, that's called RPFAR formula. RPFAR is what? R stands for reception, we receive information, and we have five senses, and with these five senses we receive information. Now we have our own system, so we just filter this information and we make our own perceptions, right? So P stands for perception. Then with that perception, uh, our mind and brain reacts and it creates emotions, feelings. So F stands for feelings, and based on those feelings we feel to do something about it, so we take action. Even if I'm doing nothing, that is also an action. So A stands for action. And finally, if we take any action, that is going to give us some results. So R stands for result. So it's reception, R, P for perception, F for feeling, A for action, and R for results, right? So this is how the formula is explained. And I also got lots of more clarity when I created my esoteric architecture. And you be with me not only into this video but for your rest of life, then only you will come to know that how powerful this knowledge is. But let me tell you something, like lots of people say that we talk about desire, right? So you must have intense desire to achieve something, or you must have burning desire, right? But let me tell you, friends, also there lots of techniques are devised to achieve burning desire, how to activate your burning desire. This kind of courses are also run by many trainers and many books written on it. But let me tell you one thing, it's not possible for everyone to get burning desire, right? To get burning desire is not possible. You might be reading a book and you think that I will activate my burning desire. You might be attending a training of a trainer and you think that with I will activate my burning desire, I will get money. But no, never. It is not possible, because burning desire is not something which you can activate with your psyche, right? It's not a psychic phenomenon, but it's a genetic one. Are you blessed with burning desire? Then only you can do it. But in this world, no trainer, no author, no coach understand how this works. They never know that this person is having burning desire or not. It's only me who can tell this. And if you want to know that whether you have burning desire for money or not, then definitely you can ask me. I will let you know, because I have developed advanced versions of NLP, like intuition NLP, where I have 3 levels. If you want to learn, I'm not asking you to come to me and learn to pay money, but just I am telling you that this is what I have developed. And after that, I have many levels, like distance NLP, where without talking to a person also I can activate a state in a person, kind of things. But the main thing I want to tell you is, it is not possible to activate burning desire with any method. But yes, if you have patience and time and faith, I definitely can do something about it. But to do something about it, before that you should know whether you have that or not. And that's where, you know, awareness is the key to transformation. So you can have that awareness by asking me. Anyways, so today I wanted to talk only this much. See you into the next episode of Think and Grow Rich with NLP. Bye for now.